All right, I'm gonna show you guys phase shifts. So with phase shifts, what we're doing is we're moving either to the right or to the left. And really what we're talking about is on the graph, if it's a sine graph, the phase is essentially your starting point. Okay, the start of your whole period, really, what's going on here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move that over to the right or to the left. You guys have seen a lot of stuff like this before. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say f of theta equals a, which we already talked about, sine of b, which we already talked about, and then theta, and we're actually gonna make it plus right here. It should stay consistent, but for some reason we don't, okay? And we're gonna put that as c now. It used to be minus h, but now we're gonna say plus c, and we're just gonna remember that we're going the opposite direction, okay? And then we're gonna go plus d. So on this one, we called it k before, but now we're gonna call it d so that it goes a, b, c, d. Cosine is the exact same. A cosine of b theta plus c plus d, okay? So what's gonna happen is we're gonna see examples that say this is theta plus pi over 2. So every single one of our values is gonna be moved pi over 2 to the left. So on our normal graph, this is pi over 2 on the sine graph. This is pi on the sine graph. This is pi over 2 on the sine graph right here. So this value is going to be shifted over to here, which is really literally making it into a cosine graph. So now it's going to look like there we go. So all we did is we took the graph and we shifted it over. So instead of being from here to here, now it's from here to here. And we would say that this moved to the left pi over 2. So that's what we're doing on these guys. Okay, it's fairly simple. I mean, you guys have done a lot of stuff like this. I'm gonna show you guys another video where I'm gonna try to help you make it easier to graph your functions. I will talk about it in class, but I do want you guys to watch that video, and I know it's probably gonna be a little bit long, but I'll do my best to keep it short and to make it make sense.